No talk, bro. I love Sparking Zero, but I will have to admit this is not a perfect game, bro. It's not. Um, the story mode kind of lackluster. The online, it kind of acting weird because like I want to do my first super move, but I always end up doing my second one, and and I always keep getting disconnected from every match I try to do rank. It even hard to rank up in the game. Overall, I love the characters and stuff like that, and also I could play offline. But it could be better. It can be better. We probably gonna get patches. Like hang in, guys. This ain't over yet. God damn, hurry up!